In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Destiny Rising account. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your actual Destiny Rising and open it into the actual menu page. Now, I have in here this help article from Deca Games, and in order to transfer to a different device and transfer account, you first need to link it into a social sign-in. For example, a Game Center or a Google account. Then open the game from there and using your new device, use the steps to actually log in. Now on your in-game menu, click on More and click on Manage Accounts. You should be able to see two buttons which is Select Accounts and Link Different Device. When you click on Select Accounts, it will bring up the account selection pop-up. You should now see your accounts that link to your Game Center profile and from in there just simply wish or select the account that you wish to play on. From in there, you can also see the transfer option, so make sure to click on that and it will generate a transfer code that you can actually use to transfer account to other device that you have. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.